Edited script, clean and improved. A skilled DIY enthusiast from Japan has created an impressive micro-hovercraft, blending creativity and engineering into a compact and entertaining vehicle. He admits it's more of a fun project than a practical transport solution, but it delivers plenty of excitement. One of the prototypes was even showcased at Maker Faire Tokyo, where many visitors had the chance to ride it. The hovercraft is built using affordable materials, including a locally sourced power supply costing around $21, proving that innovation doesn't have to be expensive. However, it does come with a few drawbacks. It is quite loud, often requiring headphones for comfort, and its battery only lasts between 5 to 10 minutes. Still, these limitations encourage further modifications and improvements. For the creator, the real joy lies in building, experimenting, and sharing this hands-on experience. Drone delivery system, Jetzy. The drone delivery market is expected to grow massively, reaching around $54 billion by 2028. A Swiss company, Jetzy, is making strong progress in this space. Their drones offer 3 delivery methods: landing on the ground, attaching to a window-mounted frame, or dropping packages via parachute. These drones can travel up to 144 kilometers per hour, cover distances of 100 kilometers per charge, and operate at a very quiet 30 dB. Jetzy is particularly focused on medical deliveries, ensuring fast and safe transport of essential supplies. The company is also actively hiring engineers and developers, aiming to expand its innovative solutions. Lunar wheel Venturi. Venturi is redefining wheel technology with a groundbreaking lunar wheel designed for harsh space environments. This concept was revealed at the Paris Air Show 2023 and gained significant attention. The wheel features a unique system of 192 cables and springs, providing excellent shock absorption even at extreme temperatures as low as -230 degrees Celsius. These wheels will be used on the Venturi Astrolab Flex rover, planned for a lunar mission in 2026. The rover is expected to travel over 1,000 kilometers at speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour, marking a major advancement in space exploration. M4 Transforming Robot. Engineers at the California Institute of Technology have created an incredible machine called the M4 robot, a versatile system that can transform from a car into a drone within seconds. But that's not all. It can also balance on 2 wheels and perform impressive flips, making it one of the most dynamic robots ever designed. At its core, the M4 is powered by the NVIDIA Jetson Nano, a compact computer that enables advanced AI control and real-time decision-making. This allows the robot to adapt quickly to different environments and tasks. Interestingly, the design of the M4 is inspired by animals like birds and sea lions, which helps improve its balance, movement, and flexibility. With such unique capabilities, the M4 could be used in rescue missions, disaster response, and even future space exploration, where adaptability is key. ANGO Smart Mobility Device. ANGO from South Korea is introducing a smart and effortless way to move indoors. Instead of walking long distances, users can simply step onto the compact platform, place their belongings, and smoothly glide to their destination. The device is controlled through simple foot movements, allowing users to keep their hands completely free. Unlike fast scooters or hoverboards, ANGO moves at a slower and safer speed, reducing the risk of accidents in crowded spaces. It is equipped with 6 advanced sensors that help it navigate in real-time 3D space, automatically detecting and avoiding obstacles. Even more convenient, the platform can be summoned directly using a smartphone. Designed for places like offices, airports, and large facilities, ANGO offers a modern, hands-free, and stress-free way to move, making indoor travel smarter and more efficient. Terminator Robotic Flamethrower. The Terminator is a bold and futuristic machine that combines a robotic dog with a powerful flamethrower. Designed to look and move like a mechanical beast, it immediately grabs attention with its unique and intimidating presence. This device can project flames up to 9 to 10 meters and uses AI-assisted targeting to improve precision and control. While it's not officially intended to be used as a weapon, it has sparked major interest among tech enthusiasts and robotics fans around the world. Its creators have not yet revealed the official price, but those interested can sign up to receive updates about its release and availability. Blending robotics, firepower, and artificial intelligence, the Terminator stands as a striking example of how far experimental and novelty technology is evolving today. LCC-140 Climbing Crane. The LCC-140 is a powerful climbing crane specifically designed for building massive wind turbines. What makes it truly unique is its ability to climb structures like a caterpillar, allowing it to reach impressive heights of up to 155 meters with ease. This crane can lift extremely heavy loads of up to 140 tons, making it ideal for large-scale construction projects. Despite its massive capabilities, it has a surprisingly compact footprint, occupying only about 500 square meters on site. Another major advantage is its efficiency. The entire system can be assembled within just 24 hours, saving both time and labor costs. Its compact design also helps reduce traffic disruption, especially when operating near busy roads or highways. With its combination of strength, mobility, Pedal Smart Wound Dressing. The Pedal Smart Wound Dressing is a breakthrough in medical technology designed to monitor wounds without removing the bandage. This innovative patch absorbs wound fluid and changes color, providing valuable information about the healing process. Doctors can simply take a photo of the dressing using a smartphone and analyze it with AI-powered software. This allows them to measure key indicators like temperature and pH levels with an impressive accuracy of up to 97%. Not only does this make monitoring faster and more efficient, but it also improves patient comfort by reducing the need for frequent bandage removal. By combining smart materials with artificial intelligence, this technology offers a safer, more convenient way to track healing and ensure FreeAim VR Shoes. FreeAim VR shoes are designed to deliver a highly immersive walking experience in virtual reality without needing a large physical space. Instead of moving around the room, users can walk naturally while staying in one place, making VR safer and more practical for home use. These shoes are compatible with popular VR systems like Oculus Rift and HTC Vive, allowing them to work with a wide range of games and applications. One of their biggest advantages is efficiency, as they only require a compact 2 by 2 meter area to function properly. This makes them perfect for small gaming setups or limited spaces. Looking ahead, future versions are expected to support running movements and higher weight capacities. With this innovation, FreeAim is pushing virtual reality closer to a truly realistic and accessible experience for everyone. Studio Microphone Sarl Piano Lift. The Sarl Piano Lift is a smart engineering solution designed to make moving a grand piano simple and safe. Traditionally, transporting a piano is a complex and risky task, but this system changes everything. It can handle loads of up to 600 kilograms and allows smooth tilting, lifting, and transportation with stability and control. Whether it's moving a piano from a truck to a stage or navigating tight spaces, the process becomes much easier. The system works using strong, secure straps and does not require any extra tools or complicated equipment. It is also compatible with all major grand piano brands, making it highly versatile for professional use. By combining strength, stability, and simplicity, the Sarl Piano Lift transforms a difficult and heavy-duty job into a much safer and more efficient process for technicians and musicians alike. Freedom Trax FT1. Freedom Trax FT1 is an innovative mobility system designed to transform regular wheelchairs into powerful off-road vehicles. By using advanced tracked technology, it allows users to move easily across sand, snow, gravel, and other rough terrains that are normally difficult to navigate. The system is controlled through a simple joystick, making it easy to operate for users of different skill levels. It is compatible with wheelchairs that have 18 to 26-inch wheels, ensuring wide usability across different models. For longer journeys, the Pro version offers an impressive range of up to 13 kilometers, giving users much more independence and freedom to explore outdoor environments. By combining durability, control, and accessibility, Freedom Trax FT1 represents a major step forward in personal mobility, helping users experience the outdoors with confidence and independence. Ungoverned Vendetta Tracked Skateboard. The Ungoverned Vendetta is a high-performance electric tracked skateboard designed for extreme off-road adventures. Unlike traditional skateboards, it uses a tracked system that provides strong grip and stability on rough terrains such as snow, dirt, and uneven ground. This powerful machine can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, delivering a thrilling and adrenaline-filled riding experience for adventure enthusiasts. Its unique design combines the excitement of skateboarding with the capability of an off-road vehicle. On a single charge, it runs for around 30 minutes, making it suitable for short but intense rides. The price is approximately $6,500, reflecting its advanced engineering and specialized build. Overall, the Ungoverned Vendetta represents a bold step in personal mobility, merging speed, control, and off-road capability into one exciting electric machine. Studio Microphone NEC Climbing Crane LCC 140. The NEC Climbing Crane, also known as the LCC 140, is a breakthrough innovation in wind energy construction. It is specially designed to climb wind turbines like a caterpillar, making it possible to work at extreme heights with precision and stability. This powerful crane can lift massive loads of up to 140 tons and reach heights of around 155 meters. It is used for both offshore and onshore wind turbine installations, where accuracy and strength are critical. Despite its huge capabilities, the system is highly efficient in design. It requires only about 24 hours for assembly, and transportation involves just 11 trucks. Even more impressive, it occupies only around 500 square meters, which is much smaller than many traditional cranes. By combining power, mobility, and efficiency, the LCC 140 is transforming how wind farms are built and 3D printing for train parts. Technological progress often brings unexpected challenges, especially when older but reliable systems become difficult to maintain due to missing replacement parts. A Russian engineering team is tackling this problem using advanced 3D printing technology. They use a strong material called glass-filled polypropylene, which is highly resistant to solvents, oils, and even acids. With this, they can produce critical components such as railroad switches, brackets, and protective covers with high precision. This material is not only durable but also versatile, making it suitable for industries ranging from robotics to industrial manufacturing. Beyond railway systems, the team also creates spare parts for tractors and even components for virtual reality devices. By combining innovative materials with additive manufacturing, this approach helps extend the life of existing machines, reduce maintenance costs, and promote a more sustainable and efficient future for engineering systems. Studio Microphone Mojo Vision Smart Contact Lens, 1-minute script. Mojo Vision is developing an advanced smart contact lens that brings augmented reality directly to the human eye. Unlike traditional wearables, this lens is designed to be lightweight and nearly invisible while delivering powerful digital features. Inside the lens, it includes tiny sensors, a microprocessor, and an ultra-small micro-display that projects information in real time. This allows users to see data such as navigation, alerts, or notifications directly in their field of vision. The system also supports wireless communication, enabling seamless interaction with external devices. By combining AR technology with eye-level display, it creates a more natural and immersive digital experience. Although still in the development stage, Mojo Vision represents a major step forward in wearable technology. It has the potential to complete Studio Microphone Pulse Fire Extinguishing System. The Pulse Fire Extinguishing System is a German innovation designed to fight fires using high-pressure water pulses instead of traditional continuous spraying. This advanced method significantly improves speed and impact when controlling flames. In this system, water is pressurized and released in powerful bursts, reaching speeds of up to 400 kilometers per hour. These high-energy pulses can target fires at distances of around 16 meters, making it highly effective in emergency situations. One of its most important features is portability. The system can be carried as a backpack, allowing firefighters to move quickly through forests, mountains, and other difficult terrains where large vehicles cannot easily reach. By combining power, mobility, and precision, the Pulse Fire Extinguishing System offers a fast and efficient solution for tackling wildfires and improving firefighter safety in challenging environments.